this is Sarchu camps. So you have a lot of such camps here in Sarchu once you cross Sarchu, and you're right below Bara-lacha Pass. Like, check out, it's completely snow-capped mountain and it's already freezing. Spending a night in Sarchu is one of the most difficult thing you can do. You can go to Khardungla and come, you can go to Umlingla and come, but staying in Sarchu is one of the most difficult thing that one can do. And now we are going to pass Bara-lacha. Bara-lacha is about 20 kilometers now, 25 kilometers out. We'll have to cross that and get into Manali. Now again there has been some changes in the members who are riding together. So it's only me and Anvesh together now. The other two have gone ahead, that's Madhu and Sham. What had happened was we took one of the shortcut and that went wrong. We took a couple of shortcuts, everything went right. One shortcut we thought it was a shortcut and continued to go in, but then that wasn't a shortcut, it was going somewhere else and wasn't joining the road. And we had gone so deep in that coming back took time, and while we were coming back encountered a problem with the Anvesh's motorcycle. It didn't have any power, it was not able to climb at all. I must say we literally lost all our breaths to get it up. We struggled and struggled and struggled. Finally I said to Anvesh that I will ride, because I was lighter than Anvesh, and somehow God's grace, it's only God's grace, not anything else, somehow managed to pull out from that situation, came onto the main road, after which we didn't take any shortcuts, we took the main road itself, and then we came, and now heading towards Manali. So it's only me and Anvesh now, none of them are together. Let's see what happens. We'll cross Bara-lacha and then get down towards Manali. Check this out, complete frozen lake. Only, you know, one or other places you can kind of see water, otherwise the entire lake is frozen. And look at the weather here, it's just crazy. And we have to yet to reach Bara-lacha, but even before that the weather here is...
This is exactly when things started going wrong with my GoPro. I was using the regular GoPro battery, and suddenly, because of the change of weather and the altitude, my battery just died on me and GoPro stopped recording. Though there was about 30 to 40% battery left, despite of that the GoPro just suddenly shut down. So in these cases the best thing is to use Enduro battery by GoPro. Those work absolutely fine in all these weather conditions without any problem, and I think it's time for me to upgrade to Enduro batteries. Though I have multiple GoPro batteries, none of these work in this kind of weather condition, and luckily my Insta360 had 100% charge, and that's why I used that to record. But then I could not vlog because it didn't have a vlog setup, it was just on my handle, the way you can see. And look at the entire weather out here, it started changing. And when we were at Sarchu, we could see that the weather is going to change drastically here, and that's exactly what was happening. The weather was unexpected. This wasn't going to happen, but then suddenly there was a change in weather. The entire place is frozen. You can see on the left hand side the entire lake is frozen, and all the mountains right behind has complete snow on them, and also to my right hand side you can see snow walls and, you know, snow patches every here and there. So here it was, yes, very very cold. My hands were freezing, and the worst part was the team had split for the first time. So till now we were riding all together, but at this point of time the team got completely split. So DV and Hemant were ahead, and then Kirtan was again we didn't know where he was, and then Sham and Madhu were together, and it was me and Anvesh together. So this way entire team got split, and this is the worst time to be separated. You always want to ride together in these kind of weather condition, in the terrain, because we didn't know Less did we know that there was going to be a snowstorm which we were completely unaware and unprepared for. In a bit, suddenly we realized the weather just boom changed, and then there was a snowstorm. It was not snow falling, there was a proper snowstorm, because of which the visibility reduced as low as 5 meters. It was getting difficult to even ride 5 meters. That bad it was, and the snow was layer of snow, because of which visibility was again becoming a big issue. At the same time, you cannot open the visor, the reason being the snowflakes just come and hit your eyes so badly that again your visibility is taken a toll. So given all this condition, it was getting very difficult for us to ride. And I was only praying, because I had organized this ride and all of it, I was only praying that all the riders reach the main line safe without any casualty or any mishap. That was one thing I was continuously praying all along. And here you can see the snowflakes right flying onto faces, and you see at Bara-lacha there's snow wall on the either side, and there's a massive snow across. And this is in the month of June 18, 19ish, 2023. And this is when things really went bad for us. I mean, you see how on the top of the lens of Insta360 there's complete water, and you see this blurry vision. It was similar to us when you were wearing the helmet and you were inside the motorcycle riding, and the roads are really bad, horrible roads. It's completely patch tarmac, and then a lot of bad roads in between, and snow walls across, and also snowstorm hit us very hard at this point of time. Here, this place was really bad, and you see this is the exact kind of vision that we were having. And yeah, snowflakes just continuously flew like it was no man's business. It just completely kept coming on, and you see behind us, you can't see anything. That's exactly was the vision when you had your helmet on, and right in front of you, that is the kind of vision you had. And somehow we were managing to ride safe and try to come to mainland at the earliest, and that was the only thing that I had in mind. And so this was one of the most adventurous experience, beautiful experience, at the same time very scary experience as well. Of all the times that I've come to Leh, the 7 times, I've never ever faced something like this at Bara-lacha. This is the first time that I've faced bad weather, sudden change of weather, and snowstorm, which was unreal. And we were lucky at the same time to witness something like this, and ride safe and reach the bottom safe. So which is what the rides are all about. There's a certain level of uncertainty, and yeah, you see right now there's zero visibility. That's exactly what was there. And you see there's a lot of snowflakes hitting my helmet and my jacket, and it was very bad, and we were freezing cold. Our hands were getting frozen. To make things worse, Anvesh's motorcycle ran out of fuel. In the last 22 kilometers, I had to literally tow Anvesh down. Luckily, though it was best part was it was a downhill, we were able to manage it. I had to tow, and it was easier to tow. Unlike if it was a climb, it would have been an absolute daunting job. Yeah, all good ends well, so that's what happened. So somehow managed to push the motorcycle and get it to the safe zone. And then once we were in the mainland, we fueled, and it was the journey of Bara-lacha for us. So finally we've reached on a lower altitude after that snowstorm at the Bara-lacha. It was amazing, too good.
So currently this is the longest bridge that is there in Himachal Pradesh. We are going now. Chalo. We just reached Kelong. We were planning to head towards Manali, but then you saw what happened to us at Bara-lacha. There was sudden snowstorm, and from there all of us got kind of chilled and we had to stop somewhere. We quickly ensured we warmed up ourselves, had some hot soup, ate something that is Maggie, of course, and now we reached Kelong and we're staying in Kelong. Check out the view from our room at Kelong. Beautiful. So today we'll stay in Kelong and then maybe tomorrow we'll head to Chandigarh directly and check out this view from this side. Snow-capped mountains. This ride has been all about cold this time. Cold weather, cold temperature. We thought Umlingla was the D day, but then unfortunately, today was the D day. Bro, ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ರೈಡ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್?
ಸೂಪರ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ರೈಡ್.
ಬ್ರೋ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ರೈಡ್ ಇವತ್ತು?
ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಯ್ಯಯ್ಯೋ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಸೂಪರ್ ಅಪ್ಪ.
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 50 ವರ್ಷ ಹಂಗಾಗಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ದೇವ್ರೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ನೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಮ್
ಬಾರಾ-ಲಾಚಾ ಬೇಡ,
ಆಚೆನೂ ಬೇಡ ಬೀಚೇನೂ ಬೇಡ. ನಿಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್?
ಒಳ್ಳೆದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಸ್ನೋಸ್ಟಾರ್ಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ.
ಹೆವಿ ಸ್ನೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಮ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹೀರೋ ಮಧು ಅವರು ನೋಡಿ.
ಮಲ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Well, that's all for the day. Bye bye. Day 11 was a smasher.